working, and this is just a quick, simple pigtail tutorial. So I had my hair in like a, basically started on one side, braided to the other side, like side braid style earlier, and I took it out and was like, what's the word? And so it's pretty, like it's wavy, but it's not like tangled or anything, but I was like, I kind of want it back and out of the way, but I also don't want to like destroy the waves by brushing through it. So I was like, I'm just gonna do some quick, what's the word, quick pigtails. And what I did is basically I did like moved with my fingers, just gently parted the hair down the back. And what I'm doing, sorry, down the center, in the back. And what I'm doing is I basically am just pulling like the section, like I'm just pulling one side of the hair back, excluding the front section because I'm just going to let that hang out, into like I guess a ponytail, and then I'm just going to pull it through, and this is going to give me a pigtail. And because it's a little bit on the wavy side, I feel like it's not going to fall out as quickly as it would like my hair when it's normal texture. Because my hair is naturally fairly straight, and so oftentimes like hair ties don't stay in very well. Yeah, so this is just, and then I'm going to pull out a couple, like I'm going to make sure that I loosen these, my, I guess I call them like curtain bangs or chin length bangs. I guess it kind of, I think I've seen some of the, some videos, or what's the word? I think there are some modern variations on like the hime bang that look kind of like this too, but I think those are traditionally with the straight across in addition to the chin length section. So yeah, this is just a quick, simple, easy pigtail tutorial video. So yeah, thank you, and I hope that you have a good day. Aww. I miss Junie. I miss Junie Megan. Like, normally she would be awake at this time normally.